What's going on, people? What's going on, winter? There was nothing on the road last night, and then you wake up to this. That is some thick snow we got there. Let's see what's going on. Hello, winter. Look at our vehicle. It's covered. How many inches of snow is that? Okay, let's go. We're gonna go outside. Wow! Look at that snow! Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. It's up to my knee. So I just had to make sure we're able to get to the shovels. Yeah. It's up to my knee. That was the itinerary. Is this craziness? So we were able to get to the shovels, and now we have the shovels here inside the house. See? Here they are. Warm and toasty. Okay, at least now I can open the door. Ah, there's Gideon. Where are the gloves? Are you playing with it? You're just playing with the snow, aren't you? Gideon's playing with the snow. And this is what I have accomplished. This is what I've shoveled. Kinda looks like a ditch or something. But it's probably gonna get covered again later. Who knows? Well, I know. It is gonna get covered again later. Hey, I was able to do that. And that. And make footprints on the snow. Yup. There, of course, it's still snowing. I just removed the snow from this earlier, and it was like this high, and now it's that high again. See? It's going really fast.